Hi everyone, experience मैं बहान बमक्तरा GKGS Manipur na welcome tawjari. Ngasi su GKGS Manipur na modern history gi manga suba class oina yamna interesting oirgado adumba topic amada video class ama experience gi damakta puduna laksari. Hariba topic adodi SIKH Wars ka. SIKH Wars have a topic that quite important questions in the bagi, Mamang the Hankrabo questions and a top important questions in the bagi class of Putin luxury. Mamang the so quite Mysore Wars, Maratha Wars, and a top important topic the so video class Kayama Putin luxury. High classing adodum Akwagi upcoming exams of SSC 2025 exams in the important or and not only SSC but also a top exams like defense CISF, CDS, NDA, the Army of Navy, railways ki sina singda dum important or class amani aduna ai description the link so idana hapchanga me amam yang view haina haijage yamna kana gani aduga ngasi so yamna question di yamda bi tenta ko class ama hoi tominasi ngasi har kanda ngasi class dum hojilase ngasi ki class ahan bagi question ahan ba yang minarsi which Sikh empire was founded by Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Maharaja Ranjit Singh founded tokba adumba Sikh empire do adugi maming kari kobno an hangi ko ahanbada option number A da Ludhiana state, option number B da Patiala kingdom, option number C the Sikh empire of Punjab, and option number D da Amritsar confederacy. When loin khange du ta di Maharaja Ranjit Singh na Sikh empire founded to that is Sikh empire of Punjab. Option number C is the correct option ka karam basahi da founded romba 1801 da aduga mahakna until his death mahakna sidri phau in 1839 phau mahakna rule toro kana lerme ka 1839 phau mahakna rule toro kana lerme. With this next question da mung yengminarsi Ranjit Singh was related to whose Mizal ka Ranjit Singh je karamba Mizal ga related oibano na hangi. Option number A da Ahluwalia, option number B the Sandawaliya, option number C the Sukar Sakiya, and option number D the Kafu Thala ko sana option mari pire do akoi yengminar se jik mizal have je kari no have je memna da confuse kitang chalam dise akoi sometimes mizal have je kamaina MISAL line spell taro so ko spelling se ma ke kari no have matam the Sikh warriors ki confederation of Sikh warriors. And aduga makoina 18th century da Sikh warriors na 18th century da conquer torumbe area dubu koina ke kawe Mizals har kan khangnei bu ko the territory conquered in the 18th century hai tar 18th century the conquer torumba adumba territory to Mizal har khangnei smai to dana ko Mizal understand to minari aduga Ranjit Singh je karamba Mizal ga related oibano na hangbani ko Maharaja Ranjit Singh cha ko yengminar si du tadi. And here the correct option is option number C Sukar Sakiya is the correct option ka Sukar Sakiya har Mizal se ga related oi. So with this question number 3 dong yengminar si which European military officer did Maharaja Ranjit Singh employ to modernize his army ka Maharaja Ranjit Singh na ma ke army se modernize tawna gi damakta karamba European military officer employ to khibano na hangi ka habadi samna top simple language sam da haragana Maharaja Ranjit Singh na ma ke army se modernize tawna gi damakta koi karamba European army gi makhada ma ke army do train to khibano habaga samani ka adu ta the option number A the yengminar si Dutch, option number B the French, option number C the Russia, and option number D the British. And here the correct option is Maharaja Ranjit Singh Prince ki mateng loro kanda ma ki army to modernize on the and here the option number B France is the correct option. With this next question, we continue to Minersi. What was unique about Maharaja Ranjit Singh's administration? Maharaja Ranjit Singh's administration ki mak unique oiba features ama hayu na haibani ka. Doi taragade akoi yung Minersi ahan option. It was a monarchy ruled by religious law. Mak monarchy amani religious law na law gi makada rule tawba and akoi option number A is dahare. Option number B da it favor only Sikh in government posts. Government posts da Sikhs katang favor tawe na hare ka. And option number C, it was secular and included Hindus, Muslim, and Sikh. Mark Hariba and Maharaja Ranjit Singh's administration is secular oi, duga secular oi, number Moroccan Mahaki administration, Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, Yawe, and option number C, and option number D, it followed British civil service models. haiba Maharaja Ranjit Singh's ki administration je British ki civil service model follow to na hai. And here the correct option is option number C. Haiba Maharaja Ranjit Singh ki administration je secular oye aduga masigi maha ki administration the Hindus Muslims Sikhs loni yawe have se correct option ogini ka. With this question number 5 tamu yang minority. Which river was fixed as the boundary between Ranjit Singh and the British in the Treaty of Peace and Friendship? Treaty of Peace and Friendship haibasida masigi treaty sigi makhada karamba river bu British amasung Ranjit Singh gi marakta boundary oina fixed tobano an hangi ka boundary oina fixed tobano hangi. Option yengminars option number A the Sutlej River, option number B the Jhelum River, and option number C the Ravi River, and option number D the Bias River. Akoina khange that is hariba Treaty of Peace and Friendship se Maharaja Ranjit Singh amasung British ki marakta Maharaja Ranjit Singh amasung and British ki marakta sign tawnaba adumba treaty amni ka masigi treaty se akoina karamba chahida 1809 da sign tawnabani aduga masigi treaty se akoina Treaty of Amritsar hargas khangnai Treaty of Amritsar hargas khangnai ka aduga sigi treaty sigi makhada masi Treaty of Amritsar habse Treaty of Peace and Friendship Shanti gi amasung friendship oibagi treaty ni kana gi marakta Ranjit Singh amasung British gi marakta masigi treaty sigi makhada British amasung Ranjit Singh gi marakta makhoi boundary se kari kamba river no oike Sutlej River no oike, and here aduna maram marakanda option number A is the correct option ka. With this next question, the question number 5 understand our and lawyer. Question number 6 tamu yang minority. Between whom was the Treaty of Amritsar signed? Treaty of Amritsar se kana gi marakta sign tawna kibno an hangi ka. Jikta so panjakre akoy adu tar di yang minority. Option number A the British and Maharaja Ranjit Singh, option number B the British and Bajirao 1, and option number C British and Bajirao 2, and option number D the British and Tipu Sultan. And here we all know that the correct option is British and Maharaja Ranjit Singh ka. Do habitang khangmina si Treaty of Amritsar se akhoi ani thokna sign tawna ani thokna lai ko ahan bana 1809 gi Treaty of Amritsar and ani subana 1846 ki Treaty of Amritsar ka hariba 1809 gi Treaty of Amritsar se kana gi marakta sign tawna bano haba matamda British ka Maharaja Ranjit Singh ga marakta sign tawna bani Ranjit Singh gi marakta aduga siga 1846 ki sina British and Maharaja Gulab Singh gi marakta Gulab Singh ani sigi marakta sign tawna bani ka Gulab Singh British and Gulab Singh amana British and Ranjit Singh haiba hanba treaty 1809 gi treaty sidana akogi Sutlej River se Sutlej River sina kaidoba British and Maharaja Ranjit Singh gi ani sigi marakta boundary oikiba boundary oiba haina yanaki aduga sigi akhoi 1846 ki Treaty of Amritsar sidana kaidobano ha matamda masigi treaty se akhoi gi Anglo-Sikh War lo silakpagi adumba treaty makhalam Anglo-Sikh War lo silakpada sign tawna kiba first Anglo-Sikh War lo silakpada sign tawna kiba adumba treaty makhalam ni aduga haiba first sigi Treaty of Amritsar 1846 gi makhada Jammu and Kashmir gi territory khara Gulab Singh da akhoi pi ki British na ka transfer the territory of Jammu and Kashmir to Gulab Singh in exchange for some of money paisa khara gi damakta ka aduna akhoi na sida khangjin ba yaw se transfer some territory of Jammu and Kashmir JNK ka Canada to Gulab Singh Maharaja Gulab Singh da Chigi points I may understand Taurian Logger question number 6. With this question number 7, the move on to Minarsi. Which treaty ended the first Anglo-Punjab War? Karamba treaty na akogi first Anglo-Punjab War siloshin gibno karamba treaty shine to Narganda Hangika. The third option number A, the Treaty of Sutlej Haganu, the Sutlej Hagaduni. Typing mistakes ki damakta ngakpi gani. And option number B, the Treaty of Lahore, and option number C, the Treaty of Amritsar, and option number D, the Treaty of Bhairowal. Sign to the option repeat, and we all know that upon the first Anglo-Punjab War, I was 1845 to 46 to talk about Dumba War Makalamani. Hi, Chekanakanagi mark the talk about British and Sikh Empire. Sikh Empire gi mark the talk about Dumba War Makalamani Masigi Treaty Masigi War se Treaty of Lahore sign to Rokanda loishin ki treaty of Lahore se kam kan sign tawki 1846 to sign tawki ka sumai tawdana kana gi marakta sign tawna ki bino haiba matam na masi gi treaty se Maharaja Dulip Singh amasung British Empire ka and British Empire ani hariba ani sigi marakta sign tawnakiba adumba treaty amakhala mani ka Treaty of Lahore 1846 with this first Anglo Punjab War se loishingi first Anglo Punjab War se kana gi marakta British and Sikh Empire gi marakta thokiba adumba war amni kram basahida 1845 and 46 with this I question number 7 se in depth understand tawren lawjarge question number 8 amu yengminarsi who was the Governor General of India during the first Anglo-Sikh War first Anglo-Sikh War gi thokpa matamda India ki Governor General do kana oikibano na hangi ko akoi si question se dum mamangi previous year da sang rabo question amni do yengminarsi option sing da Lord Canning option number B the Lord Hardinge and option number C the Lord Dalhousie and option number D the Lord Hastings Ma'am, so and here the correct option is Lord Hardinge is the correct option. Lord Hardinge was the Governor General of India during the first Anglo-Sikh War, 1845 and 46. So with this question number 9, the move on to when did the second Anglo-Sikh War take place? Karamba matam da second Anglo-Sikh War se thokiba non hangi ka. So option sing si 1847 to 48, 1848 to 49, 1848 ani hanjele ko maya. 1848 to 50 yuan cheka and 1850 to 51 chain tak dana akoge option mari pire ma marak typing mistake yawba ngang wada soi ki yawba taraga so mam nga pi gani with this akoy yengminar se second Anglo-Sikh War se akoy thoki ba sai 1848 to 49 se thoki bani aduga marks kana gi marak no ha matam the first Anglo-Sikh War gi type ta marks British and nagi markta Sikh Empire ko Sikh Empire ani sigi markta thoki bani hariba war sida kedo Sikh mighty ban nangki aduga Sikh na mighty ban nangi aduga British na Punjab annex tawre ko British annex Punjab result to bani ni dai je ko akoi second Anglo-Sikh War ge and point number 2 da khon khangjin ba yabde sigi matang sida and Sikh independence ko Sikh independence su matang sida akoi sigi with this second Anglo-Sikh War sig loina na loisin ki 1848-49 the thoki ka sigi points so I understand our ran logger so with this question number 10 the move on to minarsi which battle marked the decisive end of the second Anglo-Sikh War ka karamba battle na akoi gi second Anglo-Sikh War se loisin bagi adumba battle oina understand tong na kibno ka khana kibno na hangi ka option number A the battle of Gujarat option number B the battle of Salianwala option number C the battle of Ferozeshah and option number D the battle of Mutki and we all know that second Anglo-Sikh War hujik to so high kre khoina kamba sahi dene kamba sahi fo 1848 to 49 se khoi second Anglo-Sikh War thoki ba sahi ni kana gi marta British East India Company amasung Sikh Empire gi marta aduga sida British na Punjab annex tawkhre aduga Punjab ki haidu Sikh ki independence to loishin kre ka aduga sida masigi battle of Gujarat ka loina na akhoi battle of Gujarat thokpa ka loina na hariba second Anglo-Sikh War se loishin khena khangai battle of Gujarat se kam kan thoki bano ha matam da February 21 1849 the thoki ba adumba battle amani with the second Anglo-Sikh War was ended ka aduga hariba war se British na mai pa ke British victory ka aduga loina na Punjab annex tawkhre annex Punjab and annex Punjab aduga Sikh independence loishin kre ka and that Sikh independence ka so with this question number 11 da muyeng minarsi question number 11 da which British Governor General won the second Anglo-Sikh War and annexed Punjab ko kana karamba British Governor General na second Anglo-Sikh War do mai pakpa ngamki aduga Punjab annex toksin ki bano na hangi ka adui taraga de khoi yeng minarsi option number A the Lord Hardinge option number B the Lord Wellesley option number C the Warren Hastings and option number D the Lord Dalhousie And here the correct option is Lord Dalhousie. Option number D is the correct option. Lord Dalhousie na British governor hogi hariba second Anglo-Sikh war gi matamda oiramba British governor general ni aduga ma ki matamda Punjab se annex tawki ka. With this question number 12 tamu yang minarsi, who was the British commander during the second Anglo-Sikh war? Second Anglo-Sikh war gi matamda oiramba British commander to kanano na hangi ko. British commander to kanano na hangi. Do tarde ko yang minarsi option number A the Lord Amherst and Lord Gauck, and option number C the Lord Canning, and option number D the Lord Cornwallis. Now option mari pire, and here the correct option is okay British commander se Lord Gauck na oki ko Lord Gauck Gougas ko sisna British commander oki karamba matamda second Anglo-Sikh war 1848 to 49. So I understand tawrena lawjaraga sisu. With this next question, the question number 13, ma'am, see question number 13 hoigadam nika. Question number 13 the young minner say what was the outcome of the second Anglo-Sikh war? Second Anglo-Sikh war gi outcome kari non hangi akhoi khangre second Anglo-Sikh war akhoi khangre jikta 1848 to 49 da thokiba adum bwani masigi war se battle of Gujarat ta losin ki battle of Gujarat ka Gujarat ai hijackre February 21 1949 da ka thokiba adum battle of Gujarat sida British victory British na mai paki ka British victory ka swain tawdana sigi battle sigi results se akhoi option number A the trust between British and Sikh Empire remained independent. Option number C the Punjab was annexed into British India, and option number D the British withdrew from Punjab. We all know that akhoi na kai khange masigi result di kaino Punjab was annexed natra Punjab to annexed over British India da and Sikh independence loshingre, and that Sikh independence. Key point any se ma'am ningsing birani ka. With this the yaw is Punjab was annexed into British India, so option number C is the correct option here. 1849 the thokibani ka 1849 the khoi second Anglo-Sikh war solution dini ka. And next so masigi telaba question yam dragasu masigi question je important oiba questions ngakani ko SIKH Wars ke khoi maramda important oiba questions ngakani ma'am aduga PDF amasung important updates amasung quizzes ki damakta Telegram channel se join tokshin biro aduga Telegram channel se hida scan torogara I or description the link show dan hapcharange aduga WhatsApp privacy now bisu WhatsApp group WhatsApp link WhatsApp channel gi description da link show dan hapcharange aduga join tokshin biro aduga telaba question yam jadrabsu masi important oiba question ngakani aduna mayam soidana explanation tawgidu understand tarongani na khanjai aduga yamna sungai rangani na khanjai aduna maram warakanda aige channel sidagi kana bu khajitang oina phangye na khanbi butaragadi like share amsung subscribe tobu kaubigano hana ningsingjari masi harakanda mayam bo mo hana thagachari thank you ma'am.